Okay, today we're going to talk about the Quick Note tab. So the Quick Note tab has some little post-it notes on the top and then some lines on the bottom for longer notes. So the point of the Quick Note tab is for when you have all those little thoughts in your head and you need to write them down, but you just don't know where they're going to go yet. You can just come here and write it down. So let's say buy milk. I'm going to write that on the post-it. All right, so now I've come back and I want to put it where I want to put it. So I'm going to take the lasso and lasso it, and then I'm going to press down and select copy, and then I'm going to go into my notebook and put it where I'd like it to go. So I'm going to put it back here, and then I'm just going to paste my note, and then obviously you can resize it if you want or whatever. Then another option is if you like the post-its, like because they're cute, you can also use your lasso tool again and then just lasso around the actual post-it like that. And then you're going to want to press and hold and take a screenshot. And then you've got a screenshot of your actual post-it. You can copy it and then once again go to the tab that you'd like to put it and click or press down and paste, and there you go. Now you have your post-it. And then obviously you can also just rewrite anything you've put down on your Quick Note tab, but these are just some fun little options. So that's how you use the Quick Note tab. Thanks for watching.